Hello there, I'm Josh from Honda Bolton, and today I'll be showing you around this used car for sale. This is the Nissan Qashqai Premier Edition XTRON. It's equipped with a 1.3 litre self-charging petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission. You've got a sleek grey finished exterior that pairs nicely with your rear spoiler and roof rails. The vehicle sports LED headlights to enhance your visibility on the road, and it sits on these nice and stylish 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The boot space is nice and large with plenty of room for the weekly shopping and more inside, while your interior is furnished with a nice and comforting cloth upholstery. The rear also houses various comfort options such as your ventilation, charge ports and drop-down armrest with cup holder storage. Heading into the front of the cabin space, there's plenty of legroom for both driver and passenger, with the driver having access to a multifunction steering wheel. On the left hand side of your wheel you'll find volume and channel management, as well as the ability to customise your digital driver display. Over on the right you've then got your intelligent cruise control system. Moving over to your central touchscreen, it's here you can access various entertainment features such as DAB radio and external pairing such as Apple CarPlay. Built-in navigation helps find newer destinations, and manoeuvring is made nice and simple via a rear camera system, with your cockpit displaying parking sensors as well. Climate control is dual zone. You've then got keyless ignition to easily start the vehicle, as well as a wireless charger to keep your mobile topped up on longer journeys. The drive mode select is displayed on your cockpit for ease of use, and above your head the Premier Edition does have a glass roof option to really make the most of those blue skies. Thank you for your interest in this Nissan Qashqai Premier Edition available from Honda Bolton. For more information please contact the sales team.